Hello guys, today I show you how to fix and solve failed to verify username in Minecraft Aternos. This is the easy way and watch carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so let's start. First, you need to stop your server, click stop, wait for to stop it, and it's okay, offline now. Then go to options. You will see here crack. You will enable it. Then click reload to sure that crack is on. Okay, now it's enabled and on. So go to server and start again. And that's how you fix failed to verify username in Minecraft Aternos. So thanks guys.